What two house cats were the best in Autumn Creek? What cats were flat beside those comfy seats? What two house cats earned all those tasty treats? Ciao the middle class cats. What cats are meant as a brother in a sister? What cats are meant as a niece in a meester? What cats go out and back to indoors? Ciao the middle class cats they show. Middle class like features when they're here, extraordinary. And middle class like features on it, they talk and how they speak. Middle class cats are in arms and human hands, and households like other pets will be. Oh y'all! Which cats do show that they have many claws? Which cats are never known to ever break the law? To what gives to any kind of pet? Ciao the middle class cats. Oh, they show middle class like features when they're here, extraordinary. And middle class like features in how they talk and how they speak. Middle class cats always in the arms and human hands, and households like other pets will be. Oh yeah. Which cats do show that they have many claws? What cats are known to never break the law? To what gives to have any kind of pet? Ciao the middle class cat.